We're about to do some testing on the new Dead Ringer kill switch. I have a bow mounted camera. It's 150 grain each, expandable, closed. I think it's 1 3/4. Open is supposed to be 5 inches. Supposed to be the newest head chopper, first head chopper mechanical. I've had problems with it opening up prematurely in flight. I'm shooting a gold tip 300 spine, weighted on the front. Total grains 525 off a Bowtech Experience. 70-pound draw, 28.5-inch arrow. Shoots great. I shoot big fixed blade broadheads well. Shoot the Magnus bullhead well out to about 40 yards. We're going to do a test on this dead turkey. Killed him yesterday. Nice mature time. Had a 10-inch beard and 1/8-inch spurs. Probably a 18-pound turkey. Got him strung up here, hanging from his head. So I'm going to back up about 15 steps and see if I can shoot him with this broadhead. We'll see how it turns out. This is a brand new mechanical. Like I said, I have had problems with them opening up prematurely. We hope this one doesn't. We'll see what happens. Survives this, then we'll shoot him in the back, see what kind of wound we get. Now I'm going to try to shoot him about 1 inch above his wattles. Looks like it did some deflecting there. I don't think it did very well. It did hit the turkey. Cut him, but it didn't cut him very good. Very disappointing there. Let's see how it looks from here. Yeah, it would have definitely killed him, but it did not cut his head off at all. It didn't do very good. Let's check the air out. One blade hit the turkey on the left hand side there. You can tell it severely damaged the blade. I don't know if the ferrule's damaged or not, but we'll see if we can straighten this blade out and shoot a body shot and see what that does.